Our next rule is based on simple present tense and simple past tense. And as you know that simple present tense helping verbs are doesn't and don't when we are making negative sentence or using tag if our sentence is positive. For example, Seema writes well. Writes is first form of the verb, and as Seema is a singular, that's why writes as is added after the verb. So while making tag we will write down doesn't she, because we are not using name in tag, we are using pronoun. So instead of Seema we will write down pronoun she. Second example, children write well. Again first form of the verb is there. So you know that in simple present tense if our subject is plural we are making do with the negative sentence. In simple present tense, you just keep it in mind when we are making tag sentences, we are using doesn't and don't if our sentence is positive. Let's talk about simple past tense. Here no confusion is there. If sentence is positive, use didn't. And whatever pronoun you want to use according to your subject, you can use. Let's see the example. Teachers explained the lesson. Here explained is the second form of the verb, that means it is a simple past tense. And teachers, for teachers which pronoun we will use? They. So divide your sentence by comma and put the tag didn't and at last they and put a question mark at the end. If our sentence begins with let us, so simply add shall we in tag. Let's see the example. Let's work together, comma, shall we? Let us sit alone, comma, shall we? Let's do well, comma, shall we? So in short, whenever the sentence begins with let us, we will add shall we. But what else if the sentence is start with only let? In that case you will use only will you. Some examples are given here. Open the door is an imperative sentence. If any imperative sentence is there, order, request, command, we will simply add will you in tag. Open the door, will you? Lock the door, will you? Please give me your book, will you? Let me sleep, will you? So keep it in mind. Question tag rule says if the sentence is positive, use negative tag, and if the sentence is negative, use positive tag. This exercise we cannot do well unless and until we know all the negatives words. So here in the chart some negatives and semi-negative words are given. Wherever you see these words, remember always make a positive tag. The words are, negative words are not, never, nor, neither, none, no one, nothing, nobody and nevertheless. And semi-negative words are seldom, few, little, hardly, scarcely and rarely. So with this word only positive tag will be framed. Here few examples are given for practice. Let's recall the rule first. Rule number 1 says sentence is positive, negative tag. Rule number 2 says negative sentence, positive tag. If sentence is in simple present tense, verb along with s or es doesn't. If sentence is positive. If sentence is having plural subject and verb first form is there, use don't with positive sentence. Simple past tense, no issue. Use did to frame negative tag. Let us will take shall we and let will take will you. Imperative sentence will take will you. So let's practice few examples. Mr. Max is from Ireland. Is. That means our sentence is positive, so make a negative tag. Isn't. And Mr. Max is there, so we will use he pronoun. Similarly, if we say the example number 2, the car isn't in the garage. Isn't is a negative sentence, that means we will make a positive tag. Is it. For car we have used the pronoun it. Let's see the let sentence. Let's plan our vacation. The sentence begins with let, so you can add comma and then shall we. Last sentence we will discuss. We can go to cinema tomorrow. Can is a positive sentence, so let's make a negative tag. Can't. And at last we will use the pronoun we. And at last we will put question mark 2. So in a cloud, some rules are given. Tag should be separated by comma. That thing you have to keep it in mind. While adding negative tag, use short form. Is not, we cannot write. Isn't, we have to write down. Don't forget to add question mark at the end. So I hope you understood the exercise. Practice it.